Hello guys, welcome to Top 10 Fix channel. Today I got a Xiaomi phone that is called 6A, Xiaomi 6A, and right here is the Xiaomi 6A in China version, and there is no Play Store available. And today I'm going to show you how to convert this to the global version. Okay, so let's go how to do this. Alright, there are two steps to do this. The first step is to unlock bootloader, that you need to use unlock 2, or you can use the other two, but today I want to show you how to unlock the bootloader with the unlock 2. So firstly you need to choose the Xiaomi right here. Then you have to select on the security tab, and then go to the search tab right here and type 6A. Alright, right here Xiaomi Redmi 6A, select on it, and then you need to choose Broom Unlock Bootloader, select on it, and you need to turn off the phone. Turn it off. And then you need to hold volume up and down together and plug the USB in. Okay, it is working now on unlocking the bootloader. Right here, unlocking bootloader is okay. This is the first step to unlock the bootloader, and then you need to go to the second step to flash the full ROM to the global version. So let's go. Okay, so this is the second step, and then you have to select on Mi Flash right here, and then go down to change this option EDL 9008 to fast boot. Okay, select on it, and then select on the folder on the right hand, and you have to find the locations of the ROM of the Redmi 6A. Okay, right here, global version, and open it, and then right here you need to choose flash all.bat. Okay, select on it, and then the flash firmware will appear on the top. Okay, these are the firmware. Alright, for the phone you need to turn off the phone again after unlocking the bootloader. Turn it off, and then you need to hold only volume down and plug the USB in. So let's go. Wait for the image appear. Right here it's called fast boot. Okay, and then select on flash, and you need to wait for the process to be complete.
Alright, I need to skip this step and then I will come back again after the flashing.